Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, thank you so much. And to my old subscriber, thank you for the much love. So in this video, I will be showing you guys how I made this spicy roasted goat meat. So let's get started. Here I already have my goat meat well washed. Now I'm gonna transfer my goat meat into the pot. To that I'll be adding some ginger powder, garlic powder, onion powder, thyme, beef bouillon, no cube, and lastly some salt for taste. Then I'll go ahead to mix them up. I'll go ahead to cover it with the lid, then allow it to simmer for about 10 minutes on a low heat because goat meat produces water. After the meat has been cooking for about 10 minutes, I will go ahead to add in some water. After adding the water, I'm gonna allow it to cook until the meat is soft. So it depends on you. You can cook your own to be very soft, but I don't want my own too soft. Right now, as you can see, the meat is ready, the goat meat is ready, and I cooked mine for about 23 minutes. You can cook yours maybe 25, depending on how soft you want yours to be. So mine is already soft the way I want it. Now I'm going to take out the meat from the stock and put it on a oven tray or baking tray to roast. I have my tray lined with aluminium foil. Here's my goat meat, which I sprinkled little vegetable oil to help with the roasting. I'm gonna pour it into the tray. I will be roasting this goat meat on 400 Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. So right now I'll be placing it into the oven. So if you don't have an oven to grill or to roast, you can use air fryer, or you can fry it on your stove with vegetable oil. I'm gonna start blending my pepper mix. Here I have red bell pepper, habanero pepper, and 1 small onion. I'll go ahead to blend. My goat meat is well roasted, so I'll go ahead to cut them into bite sizes. To make the sauce for the spicy goat meat, in a pot, I'm going to be adding some vegetable oil, some blended pepper mix, then I'll allow it to fry for about 5 minutes on a medium heat. After 5 minutes of frying, I will then go ahead to add my seasoning cube. I will add my seasoning cube. Salt. Stir everything to combine. So now I'll be adding the mix it up very well. Then right now I'll be adding some onion, purple onion. Then lastly, scallions. I'll let it sit for about 2 minutes. After sitting for 2 minutes, our spicy goat meat is ready, or pepper goat meat. Here our goat meat is looking tantalizing, so make sure you try this recipe, okay? And also I will be leaving the ingredients in the description box. Make sure you check that out. Thank you for watching, and hope you click on that subscribe button to subscribe for more videos like this, and ensure you share this recipe with your friends and family. See you in my next video. Bye.